back.
It's my dad's birthday today. We're wishing him a happy birthday here from Planet Playground. We miss him, and I want to invite you to live all out today for the people that can't. Let's go. The cool thing is, once you get the ramp done, that's it. It doesn't get ruts or anything. Yeah, sesh that thing all day. Right? Yeah, we want our boards to just not be cattywampus.
You want to put a board going this way on the stupid log?
Let's just see where we're at from there, because you might need to not even do as much.
Yeah.
Little shims. Is that enough lifters?
I think so. And then every time we add the freaking particle board, it adds more pop too.
I like having a little more than a little less though.
Yeah, I think we should have more.
All right, I got an idea.
Oh, is that the extra pop?
What do you think? An inch or two adds, you know, like a couple feet in the long run.
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
I'd say it's probably safer to just be up above the drama, you know?
What are we
I think
thinking?
it's gonna shoot us plenty high.
Yeah?
Yeah, when you come back and look at it.
What do you think for like third, fourth, 50 horsepower, 60 horsepower?
Yeah, whatever feels right, I guess.
I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. I'm riding 50 horse right now.
Okay.
But I've never ridden the bike, so I'll probably figure it out.
I can cross that bridge.
I know what third feels like.
Yeah, we'll just tell you if it's fast enough.
I know what third feels like.
Oh, there we go. Look at that.
Cole's got a what?
A connection with his wood.
Oh yeah, he
won't
does.
burn it. If it gets burnt, it's the end of the world. It's like another kid to him. Right, Cole?
What are we talking about?
All of it. Dude, it's sturdy. It ain't going nowhere.
That's why I like having this kid around. He really believes in me. Be accurate. You're gonna break the ramp, dude. I like too, just kind of that added pop we did. Yeah. I always like visualizing things with, you know, even though it can be scary, with a little more pop. Yeah. But you imagine if you're coming off that no matter what, with that pop,
You're gonna be high enough.
I like when you come off and you're already kind of like, you've already cleared it.
Yeah.
You know, like
Yeah,
it's not like you're still.
You need to climb.
Yeah, I think you're gonna come off and then be up over it and be like hype, you know.
Are you programming your bike right now?
I was looking up how much horsepower a stock 450 has.
Oh,
So I'm like on point with this, you know.
yeah, I feel that.
55.3. This thing's set at 50, but I feel like it's kind of like different because you don't have to shift, so I think 50 is enough. You know what Pat runs?
50 something.
I can't ride like Pat anyway, so.
Ride some dirt bikes, Planet Playground.
On a Monday, dude.
Monday. Skipping work, be freaking.
Built different.
Yeah.
Dude,
Ripping.
this is work.
That too.
That's the coolest thing.
Yeah.
First time riding a Stark, eh?
Yeah, bud.
Didn't mean to take a bite of sweet time. Give it right back on one of these days. Didn't mean to take a bite of sweet time. Give it right back one of these days. And if I don't meet you no more in this world, honey, meet you in the next one. Don't be late. Don't be late, 'cause I'm a rude shot.
So it's perfect. It's third fucking on it.
Yeah, but you checked up too, like pretty good.
So good.
Perfect.
Wouldn't really want to go much slower though. I'm gonna go tell them. Yeah, dog. Perfect. Third, ripping pretty good. I had way more I could have. But you don't want to go any less than I did.
Yeah, you kind of coasted for a minute, huh?
Yeah, I kind of coasted because like these things do shoot you good. You know?
Yeah.
So I kind of like clutched it. So just, if you just kind of motor through the belly, I don't know if third will even get you in danger. You know? hell yeah. You just stay on it like that.
With a
You're
head,
good.
with a womp.
Yeah, oh yeah. You're just carrying through, and there's a little pop off the top, like nothing bad, but
Lean
you know,
back.
it's there. Thrill seekers, we really do this shit.
That was brutal. Oh, he freaking rode down the hill on his handlebar.
No way. Down, but I cracked the throttle and the thing's all yoosh. Like picked up so high and I just landed and looped out. I would have been fine.
Would have been fine?
If I just left the nose down,
Yeah.
I would have been like right where you landed pretty much.
Yeah, that's, you hear with those, like the RPM does crazy stuff with the e-bike. So yeah, I've never really encountered anything like that where you can just go from nose down to 90.
This is chiropractor Kohl. Got here.
Oh, dude, it's working.
His mom's my wife, dick.
We might have gone too far.
Okay.
That might be it right there.
We could do, I think the front wheel's a little twisted too.
Yeah, the front wheel kind of does look twisted, but the bars feel pretty straightish.
Which way do you need to go?
Straighter than Kohl.
They actually look good to me.
Yeah, it
but-
kind of feels good.
The old body slam.
The old body
Minimal
slam.
scrapes.
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh, I can't believe it. Dude, a jump like that, when it goes sketchy, I'm going, oh, like you're waiting
going
to roll
fast,
up on your
man.
homie that he's sleeping.
His body slammed at 100.
He's already
He
up.
didn't
I'm
even-
going,
I didn't even stop rolling. You
I'm like,
rolled straight to your
who
feet.
is
and
this
then ran
guy?
down
He's being modest, but serious props on anybody hitting that thing, especially on a Stark, like one of his first rides too. Just extreme loose cannon.
Loose cannon from this guy. That's a fucking.
That's a compliment, dude. It really is.
I need a patch. Loose cannon.
Oh, yeah.
Kohl.
That's it. Yeah, it's for sure a lifetime of
That'll be
respect.
good.
Let's go, Roosty! Kids are alright.
It was an April morning when they told us we should go. And as I turned to you, you smiled at me. How could we say no? What a fun to have, to live the dreams we always had. Oh, the songs to sing, we at last heard again.
That about does it today, Planet Playground. I think we lived all out. Austin sure did.
Yeah.
He went big. The Grateful Shred, man, just stoked to be out here doing what we love with people I love. Thanks for coming. Later.
Wow, one take outro, sure, we'll take it.
Other days, oh, to touch